What's the meaning of bedridden? Bedridden. Bedridden.
Bedridden. Bedridden. The word bedridden is used to describe someone who was confined to their bed due to illness or injury. It indicates a state of immobility where the individual is incapable of getting out of bed without assistance. Being bedridden can be a consequence of a variety of health conditions ranging from temporary ailments like the flu to more permanent conditions such as paralysis. It can also result from severe injuries that limit one's mobility. The consequences of being bedridden are many, including the risk of developing pressure sores, loss of muscle strength and coordination, and depression due to social isolation. It is essential to seek medical assistance in managing this condition.